of Maclaurins and Taylor's theorem. Basically, with the help of Taylor's and Maclaurin's theorem, we are going to find out expansion of any function. Okay. One more thing that I want to tell you is when you use the calculator, okay, do you know when you type sine of 30°, so it gives you directly the answer, right, in the calculator. But the basic program which is written in the calculator is nothing but this expansion. Are you getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? जो अंदर प्रोग्राम लिखा है कैलकुलेटर के अंदर, वो जो प्रोग्राम है वो एक्सपांशन लिखा है ये. And when you put this 30°, what they are putting, that 30 they are putting over here in this series. And when the 30 will be put, approximate value of this sign will be printed over here on your calculator screen. Are you getting the thing? So that is the application of Taylor's and Maclaurin's. We can say it is a real life application of Taylor and Maclaurin's. So when you write down suppose 30°, 30 minute, calculator also give you the answer for it. But again, the same thing. Again, the expansion is written, that is the inbuilt function in that calculator. And when you put any value, it will be send it over here as an input. And the final answer will be the addition of all this thing will be your output. Okay. I hope you are getting the thing. So this is about Maclaurin's and Taylor's theorem. So that we are going to see now how to expand any function with the help of Taylor's and Maclaurin's theorem. Okay. So first of all of you write down with me. Write down the statement of Maclaurin's theorem. We are going to start with Maclaurin's theorem today. So if we have fx as a function of fx as a function of x, fx as a function of x, and with the help of Maclaurin's theorem, actually with the help of Maclaurin's theorem, we can expand fx in ascending means increasing, in ascending powers of x, okay. This is the formula that you all supposed to remember. All of you listen here carefully. So if you have this fx as any function, it may be sin x, cos x, e raised to x, anything. For that, the formula is f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus x cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of 0 and so on. So it is unending. So there are infinitely many terms in that expansion. Okay. So this is a very important formula. With the help of this, we are going to solve many examples. In fact, all MCQ which are based on Maclaurin's theorem are depending on this formula. So this formula is very, very, very important. Okay. Fx, if you want to expand a function in the powers of x, in the ascending powers of x, this is the formula. And it is quite easy to remember. If you observe over here, can you tell me what is the power of x here in the first term? Power of x?
0.
0.
0.
1 sir.
0 है ना यहाँ पे?
Yes sir, 1 होगा.
Okay, then here it is 1, then it is square, then it is cube, right? And see, you can observe over here, it is 1 factorial in the denominator. So whatever is the power of x, the same number is there with the factorial. If we are having x square, we are having 2 factorial. If we are having x cube, we are having the 3 factorial. If we are having x to the power 4, that we are going to have 4 factorial. And one more thing, whatever is the power of x, the same number of derivative we are going to take. So see, dash represent the derivative. Remember, dash represent the derivative. This means first derivative of f. This means second derivative. This means third derivative, and so on, right? Can anyone tell me what will be the next term in this expansion? Can anyone?
X is 4 into
Can you tell me the next term here after this x cube?
X raised to 4 by
X raised to 4
4
upon 4
upon
factorial
4 factorial
derivative of 4.
f to the power fourth derivative at 0.
Yes.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes,
समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in this way, maybe in the expansion, they may ask you to find out the expansion of the function up to the power 4. So if they are asking you the expansion of the function up to the power 4, then you have to write down the expansion up to the power x to the power 4. If they are asking you up to the power 2, you have to write down only up to this. If they are asking you up to the power 5, then you have to write down the answer till x to the power 5 and so on. Depending on the question, we are going to take the number of terms over there. Okay. So this is about Maclaurin's theorem. I hope you can easily remember this. Chalo,
Yes, sir.
write down, all of you write down the statement and write down f of x. Everyone write down this.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
हेलो सर,
बोलो.
आप कल ने सीएम मीटिंग पर एक प्रॉब्लम दिया था सब प्रूव करने के लिए.
Sorry, I can't.
कल आपने सीएम में एक प्रॉब्लम दिया था प्रूव करने के लिए.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है
हेलो
आपका. Can you speak bit loudly?
सर, आप कल ने सीएम मीटिंग पे एक प्रॉब्लम दिया था.
हाँ हाँ.
सीएम मीटिंग पे
X square and x to the power 4, right?
सर वो दोनों साइड मतलब इक्वल आ रही है. हाँ सर, वो दोनों साइड इक्वल आ रही है उसकी.
Okay, better you solve that problem and put it on a WhatsApp or personally to me. I'll check out. Okay.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
Okay, done with this, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Should I start
Yes,
with the
sir.
next part?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, as I told you, this is a very important part. I'm going to call this as equation number 1. Okay. Everywhere while solving,
Yes, sir.
make use of this. Okay. So the very first expansion that we are going to see is f of x is equal to e raised to x. So what I want to do, I want to write down this e raised to x in the ascending powers of x. मुझे क्या करना है, इस e raised to x को x के ascending powers में लिखना है. Okay. So with the help of Maclaurin's theorem, I'm going to do it. Okay. So what I need, listen here. मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए इसका expansion लिखने के लिए? I need f of x. I need f dash. I need f double dash. I need f triple dash. I need the fourth derivative and so on. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए, इसके continuous derivative चाहिए, इस function के continuous derivative चाहिए, and then I'm going to put x is equal to 0 there because I'm going to find out the values of derivative at x is equal to 0, because in the expansion I need a value f0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0 and so on, right? So first thing, listen here, f of x is equal to e raised to x. Can anyone tell me what will be f of 0 then? X के जगह 0 डाल दो. Will it be e raised to 0? Will it be 1?
1.
Right?
1.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then you find out a derivative of this. What is f dash of x?
e to the power x.
इसका डेरिवेटिव वही आने वाला है ना, e to the power x ही आएगा, right? Can you tell me what will be f dash of 0 then? इसमें x की वैल्यू 0 डाल दो.
1.
Still it will be 1 only. Is it right?
इसका भी होगा.
कितने भी डेरिवेटिव निकालो इसके, are you going to get e raised to x only?
Yes, sir.
And similarly, you are going to have all the values at any derivative. Are you going to get 1 only?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? तो इनका nth डेरिवेटिव भी निकालोगे आप, the value will remain same. It will be e raised to x only. So it will be continue.
Yes, sir.
ये रुकने वाले के डेरिवेटिव नहीं. It will go on. So if you put all these values in equation number 1, so can I say by Maclaurin's theorem, by Maclaurins theorem. F of x. F of x is nothing but my e raised to x. Can you tell me what is the first value? See, first value क्या है देखो, f of 0 है ना पहला.
Yes,
क्या
sir.
आया f of 0 हमारा?
1.
Is it 1? So I'm going to put here 1. तो मैं यहाँ पे 1 put करूँगा. Plus, what is then next? X into f dash of 0. So we are going
X
to have here x. And what is f dash of 0?
0, sir. Into
Is
0.
1 again. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Then what is the next term? Are we going to have x square upon 2 factorial?
Square upon 2 factorial.
Into again f double dash of 0 is also 1. What is
Yes, sir.
next?
Yes, sir.
Next we are going to have x cube upon 3
X
factorial.
cube upon 3
And again the
factorial.
value will be 1. So can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
the next term?
X to the power 4 upon 4 factorial.
The power 4 upon 4 factorial. Into
Next
1.
term will be x to the power 5 upon 5 factorial and so on. Is it simple? Are you getting the expansion of e raised to x? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सिंपल
Yes,
है ना,
sir.
कुछ नहीं है
Yes,
इसमें.
sir.
खाली आपको क्या करना है, डेरिवेटिव निकालने हैं और उस डेरिवेटिव में 0 पुट करना है. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द एक्सपांशन ऑफ e raised to x. Okay, write down this. All of you write down this. Done everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have we all finished with this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Should I go to the next problems?
Yes, sir.
Is it very simple? Are all of you are getting this?
Yes, sir.
कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, ये स्टैंडर्ड एक्सपांशन याद रखना है. ये फॉर्मूला f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x into f dash of डेरिवेटिव इंक्रीज करते जाना है, x की पावर भी इंक्रीज करती जानी है. ओके, एंड सिंपली यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डेरिवेटिव्स, राइट? कैन एनीवन टेल मी देन, if I am having the function as e raised to minus x, if I am having the function as e raised to minus x, what will be my expansion? How will do it? कैसे करोगे for e raised to minus x? Can anyone tell me e raised to minus x का expansion क्या आएगा? Should we have to do all this thing? मुझे डेरिवेटिव वगैरह निकाल के वैल्यूज पुट करने की
Same.
जरूरत?
सर सेम आएगा सर.
सेम आएगा, sir.
सेम आएगा
Same
सर.
see, one thing is you can do the same
Same
thing,
नहीं.
find out the derivatives and all, and put the value, or simply replace x by minus x in the previous equation.
Yes, sir.
Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I
Alternate
simply
minus
replace x by minus x in e raised to x, okay, so what you are going to get? Can you directly tell me the expansion of e raised to minus x by replacing x there?
Yes, sir. 1 plus
1
We are
minus
going to have
x
1.
minus
Next term will be minus
1
x.
minus x plus
And
x
next
by
term minus x का
plus
square
x
होगा, but it
square
will be
minus
positive.
x cube
plus x square by
minus
minus x
Plus या
cube
minus next term,
minus
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 because x cube का minus 1 का cube negative होगा ना. Next term
yes, sir. Plus
plus होगा या minus.
plus power 4 by plus 4 factorial
Next term
minus
minus.
minus
That means
power.
जब भी x की odd power होगी, it will be negative, and for the even power it will be positive. Are you getting all of you?
Yes, sir.
e raised to minus x, there are two ways. Simply by using the previous in equation, simply replace x by minus x. This is one way. Or the second way, find out the derivative and put x is equal to 0 there. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now the next thing that we are going to study is sin x function. Very important, and you're supposed to remember this function, this formula. See, there are basically 13 formulas are there that you're supposed to mug up. You're supposed to remember it. You're supposed to learn it. Okay, by heart you have to do that. Okay, so the next one that we are going to see is sin x. चलो, I will do it. कैसे करोगे sin x का?
Derivative नहीं था.
पहले तो f of x मालूम है हमें. f of x is sin x.
करेंगे पहले.
So start with f of x. Find out corresponding f of 0. Can you tell me what is f of 0?
0.
0.
0. Sin 0 0 होता है. What is f dash of x?
Cos x.
Cos x.
Cos x.
1.
Cos x.
Then what will be f dash of 0 then?
1.
1.
Will be cos 0. Cos 0 will be 1.
1.
1.
Right. And what is f double dash of 0? F double dash of x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Yeah, correct. So what will be f double dash of 0? It doesn't bother,
Zero.
don't bother about minus
0.
0. It will be still 0 because sin 0 is 0 always. Double dash of x
Minus cos
Plus
x. Minus cos
minus
x.
now there
Minus
will be
cos x.
change. Double dash of 0
Minus
will be
1.
what it will
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
right? What will be
Minus
f for 4?
Sin x.
Plus sin x,
Yes.
Sin
Sin x.
x.
but still it will be 0 only because it involves sin. We'll write down one more और एक लिखता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. The next value will be cos x. Is it?
Cos x.
And what will be corresponding value at 0?
1.
1.
1.
So if you observe one pattern here, अगर आपने एक pattern observe किया है यहाँ पे, तो even वाले सभी value 0 आ रहे हैं देखो. Can you observe that thing?
Yes, sir.
Can you observe this thing over here?
Yes, sir.
See, this value is 0. This value is also 0. This value is also 0. Okay. So whenever we are having power or the second derivative, when you are having fourth derivative, where we are having zeroth derivative, okay, there we are getting 0 0 0. But if you observe another thing over here, और एक चीज आपने अगर ऑब्जर्व की होंगी यहाँ पे, so ऑड पावर जब भी है तो 1 आ रहा है देखो, दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है क्या ऑड पावर में?
Yes, sir.
Or can you see that?
Yes, sir.
F dash, F triple dash, F4, fifth. But it will not exactly 1 1 1. It is alternately plus minus sign. Are you getting 1 minus 1 1? Can you tell me sixth derivative क्या होगा? 0 होने वाला है वापस. Can you tell me seventh derivative क्या होगा?
1. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
It will be minus 1. Yeah, it will be minus 1 आने वाला है, right? So अगर ये सभी वैल्यू हम पुट करते हैं तो can I say by Maclaurins theorem, can you tell me how the expansion will look like? Expansion of sin x कैसे दिखेगा? Can anyone tell me? First term, ध्यान दो, f of 0, पहले हमें f of 0 लिखना है हमेशा, f of 0, then x into f dash, then x square and so on. Can you tell me f of 0 कितना आया है हमारा?
0.
0. First term लिखनी नहीं पड़ेगी because first term is 0, ये 0 है. So no need to write down that. What is the second term? Is it x into f dash of 0? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x dash of 0 1 आया ना, तो can I say it will be 1?
Yes.
Then वाली ध्यान दो, इवन पावर वाली 0 होने वाली है वापस x डबल डैश, तो वो भी 0 हो जाएगी. But next third power वाली आएगी ना, can you tell me the next term here? And it will be negative. If you observe the thing, it will be negative. Can you tell me the next term then?
Minus x cube by 3 factorial.
Very good. So it will be minus x cube upon 3 factorial. Then fourth वाली वापस 0 हो जाएगी.
Yes, sir.
What will be fifth derivative? Fifth wali term?
Plus
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 x
x
raised
to
to
the
power
power 5 upon 5.
x to the power 5
Can you tell me
upon
one
5
more
factorial
term?
plus
minus
minus
X
x
raised
to the
to
power
power
7
7
minus x
upon
raised to
7 will
Will
it
it be
be
seven.
plus or minus?
minus
7 factorial
minus minus
So it will be x
raised
to
to
the power
7
7 upon 7 factorial. Can you tell me one more?
plus
Will it
X
plus
raised to
be plus or
power
x
minus?
to
9
the power
9
9
9
9
x to the
Is to
power
the power
9
9.
So
9
now listen
factorial.
here, you can tell me any term. If I ask you any
Yes.
value or any term in this, you can easily tell me because there is a pattern. So in this expansion of sin x, there is one pattern. What is that pattern? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me the pattern over here?
Odd
Can you see
multiple.
only odd
Odd
powers
power.
of x are there? Only odd powers. सबको दिखाई दे रहा है x के odd power आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे x, x cube, x to the power 5, x to the power 7, x to the power 9 and all. This is the first observation. What is the second observation?
Plus and minus alternate.
Alternate plus minus.
alternating plus
Very
minus
good. So do we have a alternative plus minus sign? Plus minus, plus minus,
नहीं
plus
minus plus plus
plus
minus
minus. पहला plus है देखो.
yes sir
This is the plus value,
yes sir
right?
yes
We are starting from this term, right? So it will be plus minus, right? So there are the two observation that we can say from this is that only odd powers are there in sine function and alternately plus minus sign is there. Okay. Are you okay with this?
yes sir
Chalo, right. All of you
Yes,
write
sir.
down. Done everyone?
yes sir
Sir.
Have you finished?
yes sir
Sir.
हाँ sir.
yes sir
But I hope you are getting the idea how to do it. Everyone, any doubt, please ask me.
yes sir
सर लास्ट वो जो एक्स रेस टू 9/9 फैक्टर लिखा है उसके आगे माइनस आएगा ना?
एक मिनट. क्या बोल रहे हो? Yeah, it will be minus. The next term will be minus. This one you are saying
यस सर.
after x to the power 9, na?
Yeah.
Done? Should I go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let us start with the next expansion. F of x is equal to cos x. Chalo, you are going to tell me now how to do this. F of x is equal to cos x. चलो कैसे करो बताओ. सी याद रखो एक साइड आपको सभी फंक्शन एंड डेरिवेटिव लिखने हैं पहले, तो कीप ऑन राइटिंग द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस। cos x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा?
minus sin
minus
x.
sin x.
माइनस साइन एक्स।
Minus
देन सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? विल इट बी माइनस
Minus
cos
cos
x?
x.
Minus cos x.
थर्ड डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा?
Sin x.
Sin x.
Sin x.
साइन एक्स। फोर्थ डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा?
Cos
Minus
Cos
x.
x.
Minus
cos x। फिफ्थ डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा?
minus sin
Minus
x.
sin
sin
x.
x.
माइनस साइन एक्स एंड सो ऑन, ये आते रहेंगे। ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई नीड for Maclaurin's theorem, what I need the values of all this thing at sorry, I need the values of all this thing at 0 na. So what is f of 0? It will be cos 0. Cos 0 will be 1. What is f dash of 0? Can you tell me what is f dash of 0? Will it be 0?
0.
What is f double dash of 0?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. What is f triple dash of 0?
0.
0. F fourth dash of 0?
1.
Will it be 1? F fifth dash of 0?
0.
0 again. Okay. So now what we have to do, if you put all these values in Maclaurin's theorem, so can I say by Maclaurin's, see in MCQ they are going to ask you this, okay, but in MCQ no need to write down all this thing directly. They are going to ask you the expansion. So this thing you are supposed to write down in the expansion. They are going to ask you what is the expansion of sin x, cos x, e raised to x, whatever. Okay, whatever the function is there, you can easily find out that. So can you tell me what is the first term? F of 0 कितना आया है देखो?
1.
1.
Is 1, right? ये वाली वैल्यू आएगी क्या? देखो ऑड वाले वैल्यू सभी 0 हो रहे क्या? Can you observe?
Yes, sir.
All odd वाले वैल्यू 0 है,
Yes,
इवन
sir.
वाले एग्जिस्ट होंगे खाली। तो डायरेक्टली नेक्स्ट वैल्यू x नहीं आएगा, फिर x स्क्वायर वाला आएगा, देखो x स्क्वायर। तो कैन आई से, एंड इट विल बी माइनस, राइट? So it is minus, can I say it is minus x square upon 2 factorial?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are we going to have x cube wala term?
No, sir.
No.
Because it will be 0. What about
Plus
fourth
1.
wala term? Will it be positive or negative?
Positive.
So are we going to have x to the power 4 upon 4 factorial?
Or factorial.
Are we going to get fifth term? Fifth term आएगी यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
नहीं। तो next term क्या होगी? Can anyone tell me?
Minus
X raised to power 6 upon
6
6
upon
factorial.
6.
Power 6.
Correct. And then plus होगा x to the power 8 upon 8 factorial and so on.
X raised to 10.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the thing over here? What are your observation in this expansion?
Yeah, even
Yeah, very good. आप बोलोगे यहाँ पे even power नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी है even power. See here, are we having here x to the power 0? ये x to the power 0 है.
Yes, sir.
All the even powers of x are there. Okay. So all the even powers of x are there, and what is the second observation?
Plus minus.
alternate.
Yeah, alternately plus.
Alternating plus minus sign.
Very good. Alternately plus minus sign is there. Chalo, write down. Do it fast.
Excuse me, sir. Can you do a practical application of this Maclaurin's theorem with by taking x is equals to any value in this cos function?
Yeah, as I told you, the calculator is one of the example where you can find out, because whatever expansion we are getting, sin x, cos x, tan x, whatever, this function is directly this actually there is a program, we can say it is there in the calculator. So when you put cos is equal to 1, what they are doing, they are putting the x value is equal to 1 in that program and giving you the output. So that is one of the application. Even that's it. What I feel, it will be easy to find out the derivative of the function. If sometimes finding out the derivative of the function is difficult by a normal way, then with the help of expansion we can do it easily. Even integration also we can solve with the help of expansion. Even sometimes, do you remember indeterminate form L'Hospital rule? So there also, while solving the limits, expansion will be helpful, because once we expand the function into powers of x, it will be easy to differentiate. And actually in a L'Hospital rule, what we are doing, we are differentiating. So it will be easy. That's what I feel is some of the applications of this expansion. Even you can Google it. If you find out some more example, please share with us. We'll discuss that. Okay? Is it okay?
Great, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And please see, listen, everyone, make a habit of finding out something on Google. Okay. See, I know that there are many questions are there in your mind. Please find out. You will find out each and everything in on the Google on or on a YouTube. Okay. So if you find out simply what are the applications of Maclaurins theorem, you will find out number of applications there. Okay. So please find out or make a habit of finding out something on a Google or a YouTube. Okay, you will find out, definitely you will get some interesting facts about whatever you want to learn. Okay, so please Google it or find it on a YouTube. And if possible, you share it with us also. We'll definitely try to discuss that thing in our class. Okay, done with this, all of you? Should I go to the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, the next one that we are going to study is, I don't think you have studied it before. Have you heard about sin h(x)?
Yes,
पढ़ा है
sir.
कभी hyperbolic function?
No,
Hello?
no, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So
No.
this is quite a new one. See, there is a difference. This is not sine of hx. यहाँ पे sine angle है और ये sorry, this is the function and this is the angle. Okay. Here actually ये function है आपका sin h and this is the angle. Okay. So sin h is a new function that we are going to study today. So basically sin hx is called as a hyperbolic sine. Okay. This is called as a hyperbolic sine. So the formula for this is like this: e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon 2. This is the formula for hyperbolic function. Do you know that trigonometric function that you are having that satisfy one standard equation, sine square x plus cos square x is equal to
One.
1.
One.
equal to 1. Do you know this is a standard identity?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes.
So do you know the equation of circle? Equation of standard circle look like x square plus y square is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do you know anyone of you that these trigonometric functions are also called as a circular function? इसको circular function भी कहते हैं. Because why it is called as a circular function? Because this sine and cos satisfy the equation of standard circle. That's why they are called as a circular function also. Similarly, this sin hx and cos hx. So there is one identity in hyperbolic function: cos h square minus sin h square is equal to 1. And this is the equation of hyperbola. This is the equation of hyperbola. Is it look like something like x square upon a square plus y, sorry, not minus, minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, something like this. Okay, so this sin hx and cos hx satisfy the equation of hyperbola. That's why they are called as a hyperbolic function. Okay, and this is the identity. We are not going to study this hyperbolic function in detail. Okay, what you are supposed to know about this hyperbolic function is only this. This is the important thing that you're supposed to remember. What is that thing? e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by 2. This is the we can say definition of hyperbolic function. Okay. Now again, if you want to find out the expansion of this, so f of x is equal to sin hx. Can anyone tell me what will be f of 0 क्या आएगा? What do you think? F of 0 क्या आएगा?
1.
Will it be 1
Half.
or will it be 0? Or will it be half?
0.
I'm giving you
Half.
0, 1, half,
No, sir.
minus half. Choose the
Sir,
correct
half.
A, B, C, D. Is it half?
0.
0.
0?
1.
सर 0 आएगा 0.
0.
0
तो
आएगा.
डालो ना यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 0 डाल दो. तो are you going to get e
0.
raised to 0 minus e raised to minus 0 by 2? तो e raised to 0 1 होगा, e raised to minus 0 भी 1 होगा. तो it will give you 1 minus 1. So f of 0 is 0. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what is f dash of x?
E power x plus e power minus
E power x plus e to the power minus x by 2. Is it correct?
yes.
इसका डेरिवेटिव होने वाला है एक्चुअली e to the power x plus e to the power minus x of 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
इसी को कहते हैं cos
Yes, sir.
hyperbolic. Remember this. This is the definition of hyperbolic function. Okay. This is the definition of hyperbolic cos. Okay. This is the definition of hyperbolic cos. Cos hyperbolic of x. Okay. So can you tell me then f dash of 0 कितना होगा?
1 half.
1.
1. 1.
1.
Will it be 1? ये देखो ना, e raised to 0 1 होगा, e raised to minus 0 भी 1 होगा. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1.
Yes, sir.
अरे are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is f double dash of x? इसका वापस
E
डेरिवेटिव
power
ले लो.
x
Are you going to get e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by 2?
Minus.
yes, sir.
Is it sin hx again?
Minus half, sir.
Yes.
Minus half.
ये वापस sin hx
Minus
आ गया देखो. So can you tell me what is f
0.
double dash of 0? It will be
0.
0.
0.
0, sir.
and it will be continuously going to get the same thing. ये आपको continuously यही देता रहेगा. अभी sin hx का क्या हो जाएगा वापस? Cos hx.
Cos sir.
Okay. And you are going to get again 1.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the next derivative? Next derivative क्या आएगा?
Alternating ये
Sin
चलता
hx.
ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. Sin h, cos hx. But see, do you observe one thing here? What is the difference between sin x and cos hx?
alternating value.
Sin.
Yeah, listen here.
That
sin
plus
sin
and
x का
minus sign.
normal sin x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? Cos होता है. But cos का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है?
Minus sign.
Minus sign
Minus
होता है
sign.
ना. But in a hyperbolic
Minus
function,
sign.
listen, in a hyperbolic
there is
function,
no
all
negative.
the derivatives are positive. Sin का डेरिवेटिव cos hx का डेरिवेटिव plus sin hx. Okay. So there is no minus sign. Okay. So can you
negative
tell
value.
me if I put all these values in Maclaurins theorem, can you tell me what is sin hx expansion? First term is 0 देखो, second term आएगी. Can I say it is x?
X. Yes, sir.
Then x square वाली term 0 हो जाएगी. Next term क्या होगी? Plus or minus?
Plus x cube by 3 factorial.
Yes, it
X
will be.
cube by 3 factorial.
And ये third वाली है देखो f cube है. So should I write out x cube by 3 factorial?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can you tell me the next term?
Plus x
Plus x
to
raised
the
to
power
5
5 by
upon
X to the
5
power 5 upon
factorial.
5 factorial. What is next term?
Plus x raised to 7
plus
upon 7
to the
factorial.
power 7
Factorial.
upon
What is your
7
conclusion
factorial.
here? Conclusion क्या निकालोगे?
Odd powers.
Odd
All
power.
positive.
Odd
Odd
powers
powers,
of
sir.
x.
Odd.
And what is the second thing?
And no
All
sign
are
change.
positive.
Yeah, right. So see, if you observe one thing, whatever expansion of sin x we are getting, are we getting the same expansion for sin hx? Only the change is
No
There we are having alternating plus minus sign. यहाँ पे हमें alternating plus minus sign आया था. Are you getting
Alternating.
sin x expansion and sin hx expansion? We are getting all positive signs. Is that clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the next
Yes,
expansion
sir.
homework for you all. आप सबके लिए homework होगा. Next expansion is cos hx. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Cos hx का expansion होता है e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2. This is cos hyperbolic function. This is your cos hyperbolic function. Okay, what do you think? कैसे आएगा ये? Any idea?
Sir, it will be for even function.
It will be exactly like cos h. Cos x जैसे ही आएगा same.
X.
Only what will be the changes?
But all will be positive.
All will be
Very good.
positive.
So all the terms will be
All
positive.
negative.
We are going to have 1
1 plus
plus
x
x
raised to
square
2.
upon 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 upon
X to the power 4 and 4 factorial.
plus
Plus x raised to 6 upon 6
Exactly.
All
factorial.
are even and positive.
Yeah, so it will be exactly look like cos x. Only the change is all terms will be positive. Can you
Even
do it?
and positive.
करोगे सभी expansion इसका?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
By
sir.
finding out the derivative. With the help of derivative, can you do that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, right. Good. I'll go. Should I want to write down sin hx?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write it down.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Write down the expansion of sin hx.
No, sir.
कधीची? आधीची? लागून वगैरे नाही ना काय? 5 ते 7 आहे का? पण ऐका ना सर, आता तुमचे 7 पेक्षा जास्त झाल्या आहेत का सुट्ट्या?
नाही.
कारण ते काय ते 7 नंतर विदाउट पे होणार आहे का?
हा नाही झालं.
ते एकदा चेक करा फक्त.
नाही याच्यात सुट्ट्यात नाही झालं.
हा, हे पहिल्यांदाच घेतली का?
हो हो.
Have you finished, student?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Write it down. Write down, write.
No, sir.
Have you finished, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So please try to do that. Try to get the expansion of cos hx. And remember that no need to again use the same logic. Use this logic of sin x and cos x. The expansion of sin hx and cos hx is exactly same as sin x and cos x. Only the changes here in case of hyperbolic function all are positive. Okay. Chalo. Then next is tan h or tan x. Now in case of tan x, again, see it is simple. There are two ways. Can you tell me how we'll do the expansion of tan x? Any idea how you think? अगर आपको tan x का expansion करना है कैसे करोगे?
sin x upon cos x sir.
Yeah, that is one way. Very good. तो tan x को आप sin x upon cos x लिख सकते हो. And but आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा जो sin x का expansion है, whatever expansion of sin x you are having and whatever expansion of cos x you are having, वो उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Expansion of sin x divided by expansion of
लेना
cos x.
पड़ेगा.
That is one way. Second way और दूसरा way कौन सा है? Keep on finding out the derivative as we did in the previous part. जैसे हमने previous examples solve किए, same way.
Sir, tan x का derivative
Keep on finding out the derivative and we'll do it. चलो, we'll do the same way. But उससे भी कर सकते हो आप sin x upon cos x से भी. But we are not going to both way we are going to take it will going to take time because it involves some complicated derivative. Okay, can you tell me what is f of x? F of 0? Sorry. What is f of 0?
0.
0.
0 because tan
0
0
sir.
will be 0. What is f dash of x?
X square x.
Sec square x.
X square x.
And what is f dash of 0 then? Sec 0?
Sec square is 0.
Sec of 0?
1. 1 1 1 1 1.
1 upon cos na? So it will be 0. It will be 1. What is f double dash of x?
X square x tan square x.
See sec square का डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा 2 sec x into sec x tan x.
Tan x sir.
Yes sir.
ऐसे आएगा ना ये? That means can I say it will be
Yes,
2 sec square into tan x? Is it correct?
Yes sir.
So can you tell me f double dash of 0 क्या आएगा?
0.
Will it be 0 because tan of 0 0 होगा but sec of 0 1 होगा but tan 0 0 होगा तो ये 0 ही होने वाला है. Is it correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me what is f triple dash of 0 triple dash of x? तो listen here, यहाँ
4 into sec
use the
cube x.
product tool. आपको product tool apply करना पड़ेगा. ये 2 को बाहर ही रखता हूँ मैं. And then I'm keeping this sec square x as it is. Sec square x को वैसे ही रखता हूँ. What is derivative of tan x?
Sec square x.
X square x.
I'm using the product tool here. Plus. Now I'm keeping tan x as it is. Means tan x को वैसे ही रखता हूँ. And what is the derivative of sec square x?
2 sec x.
Yeah,
2 sec
Sec
x
into sec x tan x.
tan
Is it
x.
correct?
Sec tan x. Yes sir.
So if you simplify this, can I say it will be 2 sec raised to 4x? Is it correct?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes.
Plus,
Yes sir.
ये 2 2 4 हो जाएगा. Will it be plus 4 sec square x tan square x? Is it correct?
Into
Check
tan
out.
square x. Yes sir.
To tan
Yes, sir.
square x.
Yes.
I hope it is correct.
Yes sir.
And what will be f triple dash of 0 then?
1.
Is it 1 or 2?
2.
2 sir.
It will be 2 na?
2.
Yes sir.
Yeah, it will be.
Yes sir.
But tan की ये term तो 0 बन जाएगी because of tan and this term will be 1. So it will
Tan.
give you
2
what?
2 sir.
2 as the answer. Is it right?
Yes sir.
चलो we'll do one more. इसका और एक derivative निकालते हैं. It will be complicated, will not be easy. But we'll do one more. चलो, can you help me to find out the next derivative? इसका क्या आएगा?
Yes sir.
It will be 8
sec.
Sir 8
It's
sec x. 2 sec x
cube
into
x
tan x.
cube x into
sec x
tan
tan
x.
tan x.
उस term का derivative ये आ जाएगा ना?
Yes sir.
Right? Is it
Yes
correct?
sir.
What about next?
Yes sir.
इसका derivative क्या होगा?
Oh,
4 will be as it is. Should we use the product tool here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to keep here this x square x as it is, and the derivative of this tan square x will be 2 tan x
Tan x
Tan
sec
x.
square x.
Six square x.
plus, now I'm going to keep tan square as it is, and this sec square x का derivative हो जाएगा 2 sec x into tan x, that is 2 sec square x tan x. Is it correct? Check out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now no need to simplify it. Directly x की value 0 डाल दो इसमें. Can you tell me f of 4 of 0?
Zero. Zero.
Zero.
Zero है कुछ.
0, sir.
0.
Zero. सब में tan है.
F4 is equal to 0.
तो सब में 10 है.
0 आएगा ये वैल्यू. चलो एक और निकालेंगे, बट इट विल बी अगेन वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ओके, डायरेक्टली आई एम राइटिंग द डेरिवेटिव हियर. फिफ्थ डेरिवेटिव इसका कुछ तो ऐसे आएगा. देखो, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग डायरेक्टली बिकॉज इट विल बी वेरी लेंदी. तो इट इज समथिंग लाइक 16 6 to the power 6x. Let me check out. 64 6 raised to 4. You can check out this simultaneously. I hope it is correct. I'm directly writing these values. But can you tell me at least from this what will be f to the power 5 of 0?
16.
16.
Will it be 16? Because I think all terms will become 0. सभी 0 हो जाएंगे. Only पहला term रहेगा. देखो.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it will be 16, right? Yeah. So can you tell me what will be then expansion of tan x का expansion क्या आएगा? f of 0 कितना आया था हमारा? f of 0 0 आया था.
Zero.
तो then f dash of x 1 आया ना, तो ये हो जाएगा x.
1.
x
X.
फिर कितना आया था? x स्क्वायर 0 आया है. x क्यूब आया है. देखो,
Zero.
2 ना,
Yes, sir. X.
2 आया ना.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
say
sir.
the next term will be uh, x cube upon 3 factorial into 2?
Yes, sir.
2 आया ना वैल्यू. ये देखो ये वाला. Can you tell me the next term? 4 वाला 0 हो जाएगा. देखो 4 वाला 0 है. फिफ्थ वाला कैसे दिखेगा? x to the power 5 upon 5 factorial into
5
16.
factorial
Correct.
into 16.
And so on. So if you simplify this, listen here. First term will be x. Can I write down this 3 factorial as 3 into 2?
Yes, sir.
ये 2 cancel
Yes.
हो जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
So can I say this term will be x cubed by 3?
Okay. 3.
Yes, sir.
Is it right? What
Yes,
about
sir.
this one? What about this 5 factorial? Is it 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1? So इसको को simplify कर सकते हैं क्या? ये देखो 4 8 8 2 जा 16.
8 to the 16.
Anything else? No, you can't cancel out anything.
But
Can I say, is it 2 by 15 times x to the power 5?
Yes, sir.
Right? And so on. So this is the expansion of tan x. I hope you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the expansion of. Okay, they will stop here. You just write down this thing. Meanwhile, I'll take the attendance. I hope the screen is visible. Okay. So, tan x expansion. Your today's homework is you're supposed to write down the expansion for tan hx. आज का होमवर्क आपका है कि आपको tan hx का एक्सपेंशन निकालना है. The one idea is ये tan hx का एक्सपेंशन एक्चुअली tan x जैसे ही दिखेगा. What do you think? क्या चेंजेस होंगे?
अल्टरनेट पॉजिटिव साइन आएगी.
यहाँ पे तो सभी पॉजिटिव है tan x में. tan hx में क्या होगा? इवन ऑल नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे या
positive
अल्टरनेटली प्लस माइनस होगा? All will be negative or alternately negative, positive.
alternately positive.
So you check out, you are going to get exactly same expansion as tan x. Tan x जैसा ही expansion मिलेगा. Only the thing is you are going to get alternately plus minus. Okay, so alternately plus minus sign you are going to get. Okay, we'll stop here. Let me take the attendance. You write down all this thing. So I'll start with the odd division. 803 आपने लॉगिन नहीं किया क्या अभी तक? Odd division, I'm just telling you the absent numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1103 absent. Sritej. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 absent. Mayur Shinde. 24, 25. 25 absent. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30. 32 absent. Aniket.
20.
33, 34, 35. 35, 36 absent. Sai Ranavre.
Yes, sir.
35 present.
37 is there?
23 present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 23, I mark you present. 23 is there, Mayur?
Oh, yes.
Okay, fine. I mark you present. 37, 38, 39, 40, 42
Sir,
absent.
10HX कटेरी to के
Shweta Daundkar is there, 32. 36 absent. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 is not there. 46, 47 absent. Chetan Solanki. 48, 59, 51, 52, 52. 54 absent. 56 absent. Komal. 57, 58, 59 absent. Sachin. 60, 61.
No,
Now,
sir, 56.
50.
56. Komal Kumne.
56.
Present, sir.
Okay, I'll check out. I'll mark it present. Okay,
sir.
Chrome division. 801. 2, 3 absent. Ritik and Ganesh. I think 803 is there, na? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 12 absent. Priya Wagmare. 20 absent. Prathamesh. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 absent. Rushikesh. 30, 31, 32 absent.
Sir,
Omkar.
20 present. 820.
20 is present.
Yes, sir.
Prathamesh.
29 present.
29 is there. Rushikesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 32 also present.
32 present. I mark you present. Okay, yeah.
Chrome present.
Yeah, I did it.
Sir, 809 also present.
80?
838.
9.
809 I mark you present. Present किया है आपको mark. 32.
Sir, 838.
33,
Chrome.
34, 35,
864.
36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 40. 43 absent. Akash. 44, 45, 46, 47.
Sir, 43 present.
40?
3.
43.
843.
Okay. 52. 53 absent. 59 absent. 62, 63, 64, 65. Okay, yeah. Bye. Bye everyone.
सर
Take care.
11:37 आप प्रेजेंट है सर सही रहनोरी
किसी को अगर बाय मैंने मार्क किया एब्सेंट तो यू मैसेज मी, आई विल मार्क यू प्रेजेंट.
Sir, can we leave?
So bye everyone. Take care. Bye. Leave and join the next lecture.
Sir, 8:53 present.